Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Hub Site. In today's video I'll be showing you exactly how to index your post on bing.com. So as you can see, this is bing.com/webmaster/home dashboard. So if you've been struggling lately on indexing your post, on peradventure Google hasn't indexed your post, let's say you visited Google and you couldn't find your post, don't worry no more, because in today's video I'll be showing you exactly how you can index your site or your blog post by submitting sitemap on bing.com or Microsoft Bing rather. So Microsoft Bing is also a search engine like Google itself. So all you simply need to do, you submit your sitemap, you add your domain here at the left hand corner here. These are a couple of my domains. So to add a new domain, all you simply need to do is to click on add the plus icon here, add a site, and let's see, you can actually import. As you can see, this is Google Search Console, already verified on Google Search Console. Import your sites from GSC, which is Google Search Console. No site verification required. Import sites maps instantly, saves a lot of time. You can edit after importing it if details are obsolete. So, and you can actually, if you've not registered on Google Search Console, you can actually add your domain here, which is just all you need to do is to type it. Let's see, just type your domain here, type it this way, and then you click on the add domain, and then you follow some instructions and your domain will be added to Microsoft Bing or bing.com. So now, but for the sake of this video, I'll be showing you exactly how you can add your sitemap to Bing. So now let's say this is the domain I actually want to add its content to, or sitemap to, on Bing. All I simply need to do is to go to the domain on Google, type in my domain here, let's see, just a moment. As you can see, this is it. So all I simply need to do, I can just copy any of this available here. As you can see, I've got my post indexed on Google. That is the major reason why you can see my posts are actually indexed on Google. So all I need to do is to copy any of this posts. Let's see, we can just copy this and copy the link address. Now we'll go back to Bing. Now we're just going to go to sitemaps. As you can see, this is sitemaps at the left hand side. We're going to click and open it. Just I don't know why this works. Sorry for the delay. I think my network seems to be a little bit terrible here. So as you can see here, we have the sitemap. So to submit a new sitemap, all you need to do is to click on this. I think you have to forgive me. Now we're just going to go to sitemap rather, not URL inspection, but we can actually inspect the URL to see if it's already available on Bing. Let's see. Let's inspect the URL. Let's see. Index successfully, URL can appear on Bing. So you can actually request indexing here. Yes, we're going to request. It has been indexed or requested rather. So to submit sitemap on, all we need to do now is to go to a new tab here, and we're just going to go to local WordPress dashboard here. Hold on. So now we're just going to go down to Yoast here. If you don't have Yoast installed on your WordPress, you can actually install any of the SEO tools. We have all-in-one. We have all-in-one SEO tool, and we have Rank Math and some other tools there. But for me, I use.
You'll need to unlock your iPhone first.
Yoast Premium. I use Yoast here, so we're just going to click and open this, and then we'll get our sitemap from here. So as you can see here, we have the dashboard in Yoast, we have features, integrations, webmaster tools, cross settings, first time configuration. So we're just going to click on the features here. You scroll down to find sitemap. So you can see this is XML sitemaps. We're just going to click and open this. The question mark here, we're going to see the XML sitemap here. So now to index our post on Bing, all we simply need to do is to copy the sitemap here. You click and copy. Now you go back to Bing. Now you're just going to come here and click on sitemaps. Now we're going to submit here. Just submit. Excuse me. As you can see, success. Sitemap is successfully submitted for processing. So you can see we've successfully submitted on sitemap on Bing.com or Bing, Microsoft Bing. Hope you actually found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to smash the subscribe button and hit the like on this video. If you enjoyed the video, do well to share this video with your friends and family. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.